Okay. So today we're playing a game called I Became a Dog. I don't understand it, okay? I don't remember what happened. Gotta recall falling asleep yesterday after drinking like a fish. Just woke up and now I became a dog. Crappy situation. I should ask you something. This place is a great place. Yes, I will. Okay. Now, if I fart, does it do anything? Yeah, it gives me bugs. Good to know. How do I already have 1,000 bugs? Okay. I already have that. Now we need to ask this guy. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get one of the endings today. Okay, now there I have the mouse now. I'm basically just gonna speedrun this. I'm gonna speedrun this. I just ran flower. Oh wait, no, I don't need the flower. I don't need to look in the flower. Just trying to speedrun this. Okay, I got the bathroom key. It was in the sink. I don't care about eating. I'm already like a... Okay, now he should ask me about swimming. They're no longer afraid of deep water. Yeah, if I fart, I get more bugs, which is good. Today we're gonna get the first ending, which I'm not gonna tell you guys what it's about. You'll probably see it in the title. Now we got that. Now she should ask me. Okay. Now I think that cat thing should give me. Wait, no, I have to go to the dog. Stop. Wow. Here's your speed. No. Snooping around this. That's what happens. See, I can language level 126. No, I don't want to raise my speed, idiot. You don't need medicine. I'll get lost. I can't go in. What do you need? Okay, bugs. Tired of the 2 bugs. Okay, I got the DVD. Which, once I get the DVD, I can do something. I already know a code to it. It's for the DVD. What is this? Yeah, I get it. Don't think we need the code if we want to get the certain ending. Yeah, we don't need the code, I don't think. No, I do need the code. Gosh. I do. Got the key to the study. 4. Saw that the key had a 4 on it. Because you have to enter a code, that's all I know. Now this door should unlock. It's 4, 6, 7, 6, 4, 7, 3. Hold on, guys. Where do I have it? I have the code. I have the code written down. 4763. 4763. There. Now we see this dog. Oh, now I need to get the dog. Now I need to get a puppy. Just do that. flower pot. So guys, and I get a dead puppy. Please don't demonetize me, YouTube. Go. Now we go down here. Go past on the dead puppy. Oof. Okay, I got the key to the warehouse. Let's go down there. I already know this because I've already gotten the ending, but pretend like I didn't. There, let's just take this. Let's fart. Got the first aid medicine. I'm to give her the first aid medicine. This guy's gonna ask me, one of the guys is gonna ask me for 1,000 bugs. That's why I'm doing that. Passed on the first aid medicine. I also can't go in. Oh, I need to ask her for the favor. The last favor. Oil. There, I got the oil pump. Now I just need to go down there. Get. I'll show you guys what I have to do. And then next time we'll get the second ending. I've only gotten 2 of the endings. Okay, there we go. What do I need this for? Oil. Okay. Got the oil. Here we go. We're about to get the last ending, or the first ending. Passed on the oil. What if I just don't? What if I just don't? Shoot. Now, let's get the second ending instead. Oh, I can't. Crap, I can't. Why does it spawn right next to her? I'm getting the second ending instead. Oh my god, it spawns next to her every time. I think it's spawning right next to me. No, I actually got trapped. I can't get trapped in it. That's the only thing I know. Now take it. There, I got the jail key. Let's get the second ending. I'll get the first ending next time. I'll tell you guys what it is. Good plan. Busy. Let's go. And then I've got, wait, what if I, yeah. Why in the world would you kill my baby? I'll never forgive you. James, help me.